These trees have a very special significance. They were planted specifically in honor of Pooja, her sisters and all the other girls in this village. The trees represent their lives and are a symbol of the estimation they are now held in as part of the local community.
बेटी दीप समान है, बेटी दीप समान है, दो घर भरे उजास, दो घर भरे उजास, जिस घर में बेटी नहीं, जिस घर में बेटी नहीं, उसमें कहाँ प्रकाश, उसमें कहाँ प्रकाश।
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
हमारे गांव की लड़कियों के
All girls of my village have trees in their names, but this is not the case in the rest of country. They were planted by my mother, so they are very special to me. I water them every day. I tie a thread around my trees, as I do with my brother, to celebrate the brother-sister festival. My trees are just like my brothers.
Shyam Sundar Paliwal began planting trees for girls after he lost his own daughter in 2006 when she was 16. Her death illustrated to him how little a girl's life is worth in India's Rajasthan state.
मेरी बेटी जिसका किरण नाम था,
This memorial is to my daughter Kiran, who died of dehydration.
तो उसकी स्मृति में हमने पेड़
In
लगाए
her
थे।
memory, we started planting trees on her birthday.
और ये हम लोग इसको देखकर
Every time we see her memorial,
जितनी बार देखेंगे ना,
it gives us
उतनी बार
energy
हमारी प्रेरणा
and
हमें
inspiration
काम मिलेगा।
to do good deeds.
वो बदलता रहेगा, वो चलता रहेगा, हमें ऊर्जा मिलती रहेगी।
Here in Piplantri too, the birth of a girl used to be unwelcome news. The girls were seen by their families as a financial burden, primarily due to the traditional obligation to pay a dowry. They were not suitable for working in the fields, were rarely sent to attend school, and were instead married off. In rural areas of India, the rate of infections and other illnesses among girls was and is conspicuously high. Unlike today, a shocking number of baby girls in Piplantri used to die under mysterious circumstances. Pooja's mother remembers very clearly how things were just a decade ago.
In times past, the parents used to be unhappy when they had a baby girl because girls could not study or get a job. They would face problems. They would be harassed by their in-laws. But now things have changed. Today, the girls can stand on their own feet and refuse to be dictated to.
Shyam Sundar Paliwal was the mayor of his village when his daughter died. He resolved to bring about widespread changes, including in the mentality of his neighbors. Since then, every newborn baby girl has been given an account comprising donations and government grants. In return, the parents undertake to send their daughters to school, to wait until they are over 20 before marrying them off, and to plant 111 trees on unused land.
ये पिपलांत्री
This means the protection of our daughters. Water, trees, pasture lands, and wildlife. And we provide nature-based employment to the villagers.
गोचर भूमि
Today, the birth of a baby girl in Piplantri is considered a blessing for the parents, the village, and for the environment. In other villages, the notion of girls attending school is far from normal, as school teacher Shilpa Soni tells us.
I have seen in this village that the opportunities given to girls are immense. The girls are given priority here and they participate in all kind of activities, whether in home or at school.
And the commemorative tree planting idea has now become popular outside Piplantri as well, and has been adopted by 150 villages. In Piplantri, locals have added 300,000 trees, turning barren land into a flourishing forest, in honor of the village girls.